Good morning all. So today I am going to discuss about the another new topic, that is data center virtualization for cloud computing. Okay. So this topic also contains important hardware requirements for building data center. Okay. So here almost all the cloud platforms choose a popular x86 process, that is 8086 or some other 86 process. Okay. So here we discuss the basic architecture and design consideration of data centers. Okay, so here we will discuss almost 3 points. Okay, so first one is low cost terabyte disk and gigabit Ethernet are used to build data centers. So that is one of the basic architecture design consideration of a data center, that is low cost terabyte disk and gigabit Ethernet. Okay, second one is almost all cloud platforms choose the popular 86 process. So second hardware requirement is 86 processors. Okay, so third main factor is that is consideration into account is while designing and maintaining the data centers. Okay, so that is not related to hardware, but that is designing and maintaining the data center. So in the third point we can we have three other subdivisions, that is first center is data center growth and cost breakdown. So how the data center growth is is influenced and how cost can be breakdown. And the second one is low cost design philosophy, and the third subtopic is convergence of technologies. Convergence means in Malayalam it is known as Ottucheral, that is the integration of technologies, that is integrating different technologies under one core. Okay, so that is the main three subtopics under three factors that is taken into consideration while designing and maintaining data centers. So in data center growth cost breakdown, the first point is a large data center is built with thousands of servers. We all know that, right? So thousands of servers constitute a big data center. The cost to build and maintain data center servers have increased over the years. So by year the cost is increasing. Typically, only 30% of data center cost gives towards purchasing servers and disks. So, only in 100%, only 30% is going towards purchasing servers and disks. Okay, so rest 70% is attributed to UPS and CRAC, that is computer room air conditioning, lighting and transformer cost, etc. So it is 30% of cost is going to servers and disks, and the rest is going to other important factors like UPS, lighting, transformers and air conditioning rest. Okay, about 60% of the cost to run a data center is allocated to management and maintenance. Okay, so only 30% is a cost for servers and disk, and the rest 60% or 70% is going to maintenance and management. Okay, so the server purchases cost did not increase much with time. Servers cost is not increasing year by year, but the maintenance and management is increasing year by year. The cost of electricity and cooling did increase from 5% to 14% in the last 15 years. Okay, so we can relate it from our day-to-day life, right? So the next important subtopic is low cost design philosophy. So how to design a low cost data center? So high-end switches or routers may be too cost prohibitive, that is for building data centers. Okay, so then second one is it may not fit the economics of cloud computing. Commodity switches, relatively inexpensive switches and networks, are more desirable in data centers. So instead of high-end switches or routers, we can use commodity switches. Okay, instead of expensive mainframes, we can use commodity servers, that is 86 servers, 8086 servers like that. Okay, so all cloud computing data centers use Ethernet as a fundamental network technology. If you use Ethernet, the data or the cost can be considerably reduced. Then the last one is convergence of technologies. Convergence means the integration of technologies. So cloud computing is enabled by the convergence of technologies in 4 areas. Okay, we can converge the technologies in cloud computing in these 4 areas, that is hardware virtualization, utility and grid computing, SOA, Web 2.0 and WH mashups. So we will we will see what these terms are all. Then the fourth one is automatic computing and data center automation. Okay, So in fourth one we can see this four topics: virtualization of hardware, grid computing, service oriented architecture, automatic computing. Automatic computing means self-management characteristics of distributed computing resources. Okay, so we will see what all these terms is. Data center automation means process of managing and automating the workflow and process of a data center. That is automation of data center. Web 2.0 means the second stage of development of internet. That is 2.0. 2.0 is a version. Okay, so website mashups means, mashup song means what? It's a blend of two or more songs. Similarly, website mashups means what? It's a mashup of, or the blend of two or more websites. Okay, website or web applications. Okay, so hardware virtualization means allows running multiple OS and software on a single platform, single physical platform. Okay, SOA means service oriented architecture. So hope it's clear, and have a nice day. Thank you.